Good afternoon, folks. I hate that I have to make this video, but here we go. With the solar eclipse happening in a few days and about 1 billion conspiracy theories going around the internet, let's break down one thing that's relatively stupid and then something legitimately concerning. First, just when I thought I'd heard it all, I found a new level of internet lunacy the other day. Someone was saying that this entire eclipse thing is fake because the purported track of the shadow is going the wrong way, they said. Their quote, "Look at how the shadow goes west to east. That's not how the sun moves. The sun moves east to west over the earth, so this entire thing must not be real." Yeah, I'll take a moment to do this one in visual form. Shadows go the opposite way of the light source. For this, I need a desk, a pencil, and the flashlight on my phone. I'm moving the light back and forth, and we're going to see what the shadow of the pencil does. In this example, my flashlight is the sun, the pencil is the moon, projecting the eclipse shadow onto the earth, which is being played by the desk in this video. You see how the shadow moves in the opposite way of the light source? I know some of you must be laughing at this point, but that post has over 2 million views on Twitter. Yes, this is what you are supposed to see. When the light moves one way, the shadow moves the other. So yes, the shadow should be projected moving west to east, and the northern track that we have is due to Earth's tilt at this time of year relative to the sun. But the serious thing I want to mention, we all know the thing they pulled the last time an election year came around. I have been waiting for another one this year. A virus isn't going to cut it this time. So what's the plan? That's a good question, and I don't know the answer, but I can tell you this, they're running out of time. Now, eclipses happen 2 to 5 times a year. That's every year. They don't cause calamity or earthquakes or even have more than a mild psychological impact. Shooting sounding rockets into the ionosphere happens all the time, and this is not the first time NASA has done it during an eclipse. All of their missions get weird names, by the way. But I would not put shenanigans past the government, especially after living through the last 4 years. I can assure you of this. If something major happens during the eclipse, they did it. I'm just going to say it plainly like that. If something happens, the government did it. That wouldn't shock me. And I'm not talking about a solar flare or something. It is sunspot maximum, so that may even be said to be expected. I'm talking about something major with the grids, the internet, social unrest, military action, etc. If something happens, it was done on purpose and likely to begin interfering with the 2024 election process. Hate to say it, but I said it. I'll see you in the morning for the Daily Show. Be safe, everyone.